Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix. It's awesome, so definitely try it out if you haven't tried. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do all kinds of unboxing on videos, clothes, jewelry, handbags, etc. So if you like these kind of videos, please stay tuned. Okay, so in the box, I got my bundle. There's some good colors in there. You get your return mailer, your price sheet, as well as your style card. Here is my style card. I'm gonna read that to you because it looks like I got a new stylist once again. It says, "Hi Kristen, let's kick things off with 2 items directly from your Pinterest," which is awesome because I haven't been getting stuff that's been on my Pinterest, so I'm super excited. The 9 Britain maxi dress is a great summer staple, an easy dress up or dress down. The blue Kalia tank you pinned was a fun crossback detail and breezy feel. Pair the tank with the olive Just USA button fly shirt for a stylish seasonal combo. The green lush tank was a classic stripe and a touch of trend in the detail. Wear it with your white shorts. Enjoy your fix. XOXO Jennifer. So this person is a new stylist and they looked at my Pinterest board. There is a dress in here that I've pinned multiple times and never received. And then the other crossback detail top I liked as well. So let's get into the box. Super excited for this. So the first item are these Just USA shorts. They're olive color. They're super cute. I actually have the shorts on that I got in my last fix, which is Just USA, and they fit great. These are a 25. There's some distressing on them, so you can see that. And then it has the fringe at the bottom, and there's button fly, which is super cute. So let's see what these are. And we'll do prices at the end, and I'll have the pictures on the other side here so you can see them. Or after this. So, where's the tag? Okay, here it is. Just USA, Myra frayed hem button fly short in olive, size 25. Really cute. I like them a lot. This next top I'm not so sure about. It's kind of bright, but I mean, it's something I can wear to work if I decide to keep the whole box. It is this yellow or mustard color top. This is the detail that it has. It's kind of like embroidery, and it's a halter, and yeah, it's cute. It's V-neck, definitely nice for work, pop of color. This is the Market & Spruce Neely embroidered halter top in yellow. So it is yellow. It's kind of like a dark yellow though. It's pretty. Okay, next we have is this tank from Lush, and it says to wear it with the olive colored jeans. So this is super cute. This is the kind of stuff that I've been looking for. And it has a button, a tie front, but it is kind of see-through. That's the only thing. So you kind of can see through it. You can't see it on camera, but that's super cute. I'll definitely try it out. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too short, but it is cute. Next, this top I'm super excited about. It's kind of like same style as the top that I'm wearing now. So this is, let's see where the front is. Okay. This is adorable. And I love this pattern. Here it is. I'm going to move back. This is so pretty, this color. And look at this. I love this pattern. And it's kind of like a teal color. And it has a cross back. I really like this. So this is the Kayla Talita crossback detail top, light blue, size extra small. This is adorable. So definitely try this on with the jean shorts, or the shorts that I have on. Last but not least is this maxi dress that I've pinned probably 100 times and wanted it for a very long time and never received it. And this is really cute. I'm not a really big floral person, but this is olive maxi. Look at the pretty flowers, super cute. Love it. There's no, which I like, there's no cut in the bottom. It's super cute. Look at that. Oh, love this. All right, so that's all my items. Let me read what this is. This is the 9 Britain Rosa Knit Maxi Dress in olive, size extra small. All right, so I'm gonna try everything on and come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. Okay, first is this top. It's the yellow top. It is really bright. It's cute, it's lined. And then you can see the pattern up close. Let me turn the brightness down a 1 on this. So yeah, look how pretty that is. I have the Just USA shorts that I got in the last fix on. And then the back, it just comes up. It's pretty, it lays long too. It's pretty, I like it. All right, next is this top. I love this top. This is the pattern. Let me move this down a little bit. It's super cute, very flowy. There's the back, crisscross, super pretty. Love this pattern. Looks really cute with the shorts that I have on. Let me know what you guys think. I think this might be a keeper. Not sure. This is this top. It's a little bit too short for me, but I think it's really cute. I love the tie. I love the colors for summer. And let me bring it up so you can see the top. It just fits a little bit weird right here. It's like tight. I mean, yeah, it's pretty. It's cute. But unfortunately it is a little bit too short for me in my liking. So next will be these shorts. Okay, next are the shorts. Unfortunately, these don't fit the same way as the other Just USA's. They're a little bit too long. And the color is cute, pretty, but it just, I like the button, but it just doesn't really fit me that well as the other ones. They're just a little bit too long for me. But let me know in your comments below what you guys think. I think this outfit is really cute though, but this shirt is just too short for me. As being a mom, I can't wear stuff like this, unfortunately. Okay, next is the maxi dress. It is so cute. Let me bring it down so you can see the whole thing. I put it on and everybody's like, I love that. I love how it's long and it fits. The length is perfect. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a keeper. It fits so nice. And let me bring you up so you can see the back. So the front's a V-neck and the back is like 3 things here. I think Jennifer did a great job. She looked at my Pinterest board, and although I love the blue top, I'm trying to keep one thing out of every box. And I think this will probably be the keeper. I might ask for that blue one in the next box, but I absolutely love this. It has a cinched waist too, and it fits so nice. So this is super pretty. I'll probably be keeping. So let's go over the prices and let's see the total for the box. Okay, so the first item is this maxi dress, which I absolutely love. I'm hoping it's cheap. This is 9 Britain, and this is $54. So this is a keeper. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I can get a lot of wear out of this for work and everything like that. So I love that. Next is this top. I think this is super cute, this Kayla top, and that's $38. I'm on the fence about this. Let me see how much it adds up to, and it's a possibility that I'll keep that. The shorts, they were a little bit too long. They are the Just USA and olive shorts, and they're $44. They're super stretchy too if you like these kind of shorts, but they're really cute. Next is the top. I love this pattern, but it just was a little too short for me being a mom. And this is by Lush, and it's $38. So that's super cute. Next is this top. This really was not my style, unfortunately. This was by Market and Spruce, and it's $58, the most expensive thing in the box. So if they would have replaced this with something else, it might have been a 5 for $5, but the shorts, definitely wasn't gonna be keeping those. Total for the box is $232, 505 discount, $58, $174. So it's really not that bad for the box, but I'll let you know in the below what I decide to keep, if I'm going to keep the maxi and the shirt or just the maxi. So I'll let you know, but thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.